24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Math is everywhere. Math is really important in our life. It plays a major role in a child's cognitive development. Children from the age of 1 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, exploring patterns in shapes, comparing sizes, counting objects, analyzing and solving problems. Introduction of rectangle shape. Tell the children that today they will identify rectangle shape. Start the lesson by singing the following shape song with children.
Two long sides, two short sides, and four corners, and four corners. This is a rectangle, this is a rectangle. What objects can you see? What objects can you see? Door, television, book, photo frame, candy.
Play a game with children. Draw a rectangle on the ground. Ask children to walk around it. Identification of rectangle shape. Draw a rectangle on the board and say it's a rectangle. Ask children to repeat after you. Encourage them to draw a rectangle in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Draw different shapes, for example, circles, squares, triangles, ovals, rectangles, etc. on the writing board and ask children to identify all the rectangles. Reinforcement worksheet of rectangle shape can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.